Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make videos black and white in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. To make a video black and white in DaVinci Resolve, start by adding your video to the timeline. Then navigate to the color tab at the bottom of the screen, where you'll find various color grading controls. To remove all color, locate the saturation, sat slider, and drag it down to 0, instantly converting your footage to black and white. If you want to enhance the look, you can adjust the shadows, midtones, and highlights to create a more dramatic or moody effect. Increasing contrast can make the black and white effect more striking, while reducing contrast can give it a softer, vintage feel. If you are aiming for a film noir aesthetic, lowering the shadows and increasing the contrast will help achieve a bold, high contrast style. Once you have made your adjustments, review your footage to ensure it matches your desired look. This simple technique is perfect for creating a cinematic, classic, or emotional feel in your videos. And that's it. You have successfully transformed your video into black and white in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.